Welcome to the Woodward Dream Cruise. This is the REVan channel. I'm REVan. We're in Mustang Alley. Thousands upon thousands of Mustangs. We're gonna walk the streets. We're gonna show you guys what's cool and what we like. Hopefully you guys like it too, so come along for the ride. All right, this is on the bucket list right here. 13 Boss 302, and that's, I think, the color I want. But I'd pretty much take any one. Man, we're seeing it all. 69.
Scoops, spoilers, nothing. I want the design of the car to speak for itself.
Yeah. 69 right there. I love it. It is slammed out a little bit, right? That thing is sitting low. 428 Cobra Jet under the hood.
It is too low.
Yeah, it is really low. 71 Mach 1, Grabber Blue. This is pretty sweet. It's a really clean car. Shelby GT 500, 67, my favorite year.
On YouTube, man.
Oh yeah, you watch the channel?
All the way.
Love it, man. What's your name?
Abraham.
Beautiful GT
I
500.
give you subscribe, man.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
John Coletti, how you doing, my man?
Man, how you doing?
I'm doing great. We had a great time at the SVT reunion the other day, just a couple days ago. But spotted him here walking around, checking out Mustangs.
Why not? It's a great thing to do. Look at a beautiful day. This has got to be the best dream cruise weather we've ever had. No question about it. Where else would you rather be?
Nowhere else. Anything specific, Mustang Alley, catch your eye?
Well, here I'm gonna really schmooze it with my son. My son has a really nice Mustang. I got to say that because he's in the audience.
Now you're getting the reverse brownie points.
That's right, reverse brownie. No, there's a lot of great cars here. They're everywhere.
Oh, that's cool. And when I saw John the other day, he said we can come up and get the exclusive Ford video with you. We'll do a full interview, so we got some great stuff coming with Mr. John Coletti here. And I'm going to cut you free so you can hang out with your son and have a good day.
Thank you very much.
And I love the shirt.
I'll see you soon.
You got it. Cruising up and down Woodward. We're in Mustang Alley, taking a look at some of the Ford display here. It's beautiful 82 GT. Those TRX wheels. Wow, that thing is sharp. Everybody's out here having fun. Nick Terzis over there with Ford Performance. The latest products. Shelby's here. Just saw Gary Patterson. We'll get a word with him later. Looks like we got a Boss 9 back there. Let's check it out real quick. Look at these seats. Awesome Recaro seats. The coveted Boss 429. Beautiful car. More cars here.
We're on an SVO.
Rolling out with John Phillips of Weld, big time Fox Body guy, and Jay Demchek,
Yes, sir.
my buddy from SVT back in the day. Big time Ford guy, and my man John Darachuk back there. He's just scoping it out too. Taking it all in. SVO. It's hopping here at Mustang Alley. This is a cool t-shirt this guy's wearing. Check it out. Roland Leon. That's pretty sweet.
Thanks.
Oh, look at this little Fox body here. With the bullet wheels. Clean. Stock looking. Man, this is nice. Just a basic 5.0 LX AOD automatic. So many cars here. Hey, look, it's Lauren Stoney. What's going on?
Hi, how are you?
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
I see you got your Fox body here on Mustang Alley up front and center.
For the first time.
Tell us about the car.
Yep, so it's a 1992 Ford Mustang. It's still got the stock short block 302 in there. 76 millimeter precision turbo. It's got some Holley EFI goodies on there. Stifler suspension, UPR, 5-speed. So it's a fun car.
Yeah, I mean, it's the quintessential Fox. Got the drag racing look. Got the roll bar in there, and it's looking good. Are we going to see you at Ford Fest too?
Yes, you will see me at Ford Fest, racing in the all-female 2-street class.
Awesome. Let's take a look at this thing. Beautiful car. Oh yeah, got the 5-speed, got the roll cage in there. I've seen her rip gears too. She can drive. Pretty sweet car. Hey Lauren, where can we check you out on the web?
So all of my socials are LalaFox92, LALAFOX92.
There you go. Let's take a look at that small block. Precision turbo. Got the powder coated blue finish, looking good. Such a clean install. Look at the way they did the coils. Awesome, great car.
Thank you.
Man, look at these 85s. Well, at least this one's an 85, black. Stick. Another stick. 86. 70, Mach 1. It is packed with people.
It's not bad.
A lot of Ford fans out today on Mustang Alley. Nice looking black GT. A couple of them.
There you go.
Oh, King Cobra, check it out.
As we're walking up and down, there's everybody.
These cars, you might not love them, but they saved the Mustang. Look at that interior. That is bold. Wow. Oh, here we go. Now we're speaking my language. Silver GT. Yep, check out the SSP.
I don't know how many cars they're going to have.
Michigan State Police. Wow, little NMRA action right there. My man was at the Ford Homecoming. More Mustangs coming through. Oh, here we go. Look at this thing. Factory red felt line stripe, 88 GT convertible. Auto. Real nice. A really clean Cobra R. How we doing, guys? Is this yours? What's your name?
Steve Greiter.
Tell us about your car, Steve.
It's 93 Cobra R, number 93. I've owned it about 24 years. It currently has about 3,400 miles on it. Michigan car its whole life. I'm the second titled owner on it.
Beautiful car, man.
Thank you.
So I'm not a big wing on coupe guys unless you're gonna do like a real drag wing, but that to me looks really good. Got the welds on there, tinted windows, modern steering wheel, no wiper look, very clean car. Brakeman brakes. Let's see what's under the hood here. Very clean small block. I like those valve covers. They give it a clean look. These guys are checking it out.
Ain't you the fast forward editor?
Yeah, Muscle Mustangs used to be the editor of that magazine.
Beautiful.
Thanks, man. I got a YouTube channel now.
I watch every one of your channels. I love them.
Let's get out of here.
Yeah, most definitely.
That's awesome, man. What are you guys' names?
Peter.
Bernard.
That's awesome, man.
Yeah.
Checking out this Fox body. It's pretty sweet, right?
I love it. This is what I come for, honestly.
Yeah, me too. I love the Fox bodies.
I'm here every year. I can't miss a year, you know?
I know. This is a great event, right?
Most definitely.
I mean, you get Mustang Alley. You get all the cars cruising up there. It's pretty sweet.
Oh, yeah, very.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you, too.
Trio of Cobras right here. In that funky, beautiful, mystic color. It's purple, it's green. Just kind of depends on how the light hits it. Beautiful cars. Nice yellow Terminator over there. Yeah, we got a Mad Max looking Mustang, and the guy has a sense of humor, or a girl. Love it or hate it. What would you check?
Yep.
Here's a really nicely done Fox body. Check out the rocker aero treatment. SV wheels, custom interior, beautiful red paint. SN95 dash. And nicely modded under the hood with that Cobra power plant. Love them pace cars. Oh, it's a good looking puppy. Hey, buddy. We got a boss. We got a bullet. We got a 5.0 Resto sticker on that GT over there. The vanilla ice treatment. The lanes are filled with cars over here. We'll get into that later. Full custom over there with the big wing. Feature car behind it. Great looking notch. Here's where you kind of stage up before you head down that giant road and park. Roush, all the great cars. Got a sharp looking 70 lining up on the other side of the tracks. The Shinoda Boss supercharged. That's kind of neat. And a couple of Cobras. All three, in fact. All right, we have some infiltration here in Mustang Alley, but I give it a pass because it's a Lucerne Blue 72 Pontiac. I don't think it's a GTO, even though it has the GTO front end. Nope, it's a Le Mans with a 350. Still pretty cool, though. All right, we're cruising around the show. Found another REVan fan.
Oh, absolutely.
My man Kevin. What do you got here? Tell us what you brought.
We brought in a 2012 GT500 convertible. We've had it since November, and redid quite a bit of stuff on it. It wasn't in the greatest shape, but we were able to get a bronze at the MCA show in Indianapolis weekend before last, and we're having a ball here in Woodward. It is awesome.
It's a great show, man.
It's the first time we've been up here, and weather's perfect, everything is perfect, and everybody's so great. It is wonderful.
Cool. Well, nice to meet you, Kevin.
Nice to meet you.
All right, take it easy.